Hi, this is your friendly how-to video on how to complete the end of the semester portfolio project. So there's 3 parts to this project. The first part is you will choose one assignment that you could improve upon. So go back in any assignment that you did that you didn't do well on, and it cannot be discussion threads, and it cannot be the syllabus quiz or the current events or puzzles, even though puzzles are optional. You will choose from your essays, timelines, and presentations. This will not improve your grade on the original assignment, but you need to do this for the portfolio. It is good practice to always look back at your assignments and see how you can improve. Include the original and the newly redone assignment. With the newly redone assignment, label it revised assignment. Label this part 1 revised assignment. At the end of the revised assignment, please write 1 or 2 sentences telling how you revised it. You need to highlight these extra sentences so they stand out, and you will title the revised assignment, the title of the assignment, with the word revised after the title, or part 1 revised assignment. Make sure to include both the original and the revised in the Dropbox. Part 2, answer the questions at the bottom of the primary source provided in this module folder. The answers must be at least 5 sentences and label this part 2. Okay? And then part 3, choose one of the following Supreme Court land cases. Once you have researched the case, type a 1-page double-spaced 12-font paper about this case. You'll need to name the case, the year of the case, the issues, the decision, the final vote. Finally, after your 1 page, you'll write an extra paragraph, double-spaced, on which side you would have taken if you had been a justice on the Supreme Court. Highlight this extra paragraph. Include works cited. Now, the cases you have to choose from are listed here. Your total essay will be 1 page, double-spaced, and then the extra paragraph for your side taken, and label this part 3. Part 4, I'm sorry that there is 4 parts. I think I said 3 at the beginning of this, but there's 4 parts. You will write a reflection on your favorite assignment from the semester. It needs to be a half-page type, double-spaced. Label this part 4. If you wish, you can do this entire portfolio as a PowerPoint or Google slide, and that way it's all in one thing that you turn in. So anyway, and here's the rubric for that, so you can see how it's graded, and it's also in your module folder. Okay? That's it. But while I have your attention, I want to highly suggest that you use the study guide for the final exam. And if you're watching this video, I'm going to give you a bonus offer. So take the study guide, do the study guide just as directed on either a 2-column form or studystack.com, and like suggested, and do it. Send it to me before the review session, and I will give you bonus points on this end of the semester portfolio project. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.